Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we are seeing a series of options, like what are the small options available in the Revit family interface. One of the options that we are going to discuss is shared option. So when you are nesting the family, what is the meaning of nesting? So if you are making a multiple assembly of different components of the family and assembling them into a different family, which is called a nesting a family. So which is important in Revit, and also this shared option comes and plays when we are nesting different families. So in this case, in this tutorial, we're going to think about and talk about this shared option. I have a table family, which is three family we are created. One is leg, this one, and parametric. The other one is that tabletop, and all these two families are assembled into the project in here. And make sure that you have the parameters, the shared parameters. If you use it, it'll be visible in the schedule. I'm using the family parameter. I have a tutorial about the shared and normal parameters also. You can check in our channel. So I have this parameters in the instance, not type. This is much important. You have to create the parameter as type when you are working with the shared option in the families. So this is the main family. If I tick this option, if I load this into the project, you can see that the project which contains already two families. You can see them, the project which contains two families, and I have made a schedule out of this. There are two families which is listed. If I load this family after ticking the shared option, so it won't make any difference in the schedule, because these still remains as normal family. So when we are taking this option, it applies to the parts of the family. So we have to tick the shared option in the parts. For example, in a leg family, if I tick this and load this into the table family and override the existing version, if I load this back to the project file, now you will be able to see that 8 legs are there. We have placed two families, different types, and we will be able to see 8 legs out of this. Same way, you will be able to tick this shared option in the tabletop, load this into the main assembly, which is table family, override the existing version. Now, if you load this table, because both the components are shared now, if you load this and to the project, override the existing version, now you will be able to see that two tabletops as well. If you want to see the dimension, as I said, you have to create them as a shared parameter, and you have to add them in the field option, and you will be able to do it. So the objective is that when you tick this shared option, the family's details, which has assembled parts details, will be shown on the schedule. That is one thing you will be able to get it. Also, when you do this, you'll be able to select the family in usual case, but when you do this option, shared option, you will be able to tab and select the individual family as separate like this, and this individual family will be helpful for our understanding what families are here, and you will be able to edit their type as well from here project. So the fabrication details, if you need, you can use the shared option in your project. You will be able to get the fabrication details of the furniture out of this Revit very easily. And do remember that it is important that when you do the nesting of the family, the file size increase in the family, the overall family file size and the project size also increases. It is very much important to know. There are two different things that we discussed. The parameters should be in instance, not in type, and the family size that will increase when you do nesting the families. So which is need to be discussed. And the third important thing is that you don't have to tick the main families shared option. You have to tick all the parts shared option in the family. These three things are very much important in the shared families. So do let me know if I missed anything. If you have any questions related to the shared family option in the comment, I can address you in the other tutorials if possible. Also, in families or in Revit projects, if you have any doubts, I can address that as a separate tutorial. Do let me know. Do like it and share with your learning friends on LinkedIn. That will be helpful for us much more. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.